The crucial point is to recognise that we depend on natural systems for everything that is essential for human life. Natural systems give us the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, the energy that powers our life, as well as our sense of cultural identity and spiritual sustenance. The urgent priority for human civilization is to determine the critical limits of those natural systems and develop ways of living within them. At the moment, we see a perfect storm of problems arising from going beyond those critical limits: climate change, peak oil, water crises, food security. The urgent task is to get back into balance. At the moment, we are over-consuming the planet's natural resources, and that is not just depriving future generations of the ecological resources, the wonder of nature. It is just as importantly depriving future generations of their economic well-being, of their survival and their living. So this generation, the first generation to exceed the sustainable productivity of the biosphere, needs as an urgent task of reparation to determine those limits and get our civilization's lifestyle back within the limits of natural systems.